My name is Martin Halligan. I'm the Director of Management and Advisory Services at Infinitive Group. We've got just over a decade's worth of experience in bringing technology solutions to help improve railway performance. Our solution, ILUS, is a material management platform that can estimate the amount of recoverable materials that exist inside of assets that are created as part of building a major project. That means that actually you can plan how your materials can be used after they've been used to construct your first project. And therefore you can avoid material being sent to landfill and avoid the carbon expenditure that comes from continually sourcing new materials by repurposing the embedded carbon that exists in materials that are already in assets. Being part of the Made Smarter Innovation Sustainability Accelerator, alongside with Digital Catapult and HS2 as our industry challenge owner, has actually given us the ability to quickly get industry insight from end users that are facing challenges around the circular economy. It's given us industry connections, and it's also given us technical expertise in supporting us and ensuring what we're creating is right first time and right to really drive sustainable outcomes for industry.